Now let us talk about salts. We have learned about acid bases in details. Salts also we know. NH4OH কে কি বলবি? বেস, অ্যাসিড না সল্ট? বেস। HCl কে কি বলবি? অ্যাসিড। কিন্তু NH4Cl কে কি বলবি?
সল্ট।
এই সল্টটা কোন দুটো অ্যাসিড থেকে আসছে? অ্যাসিড salt is always formed by neutralization reaction. Acid plus base gives salt plus water, or you can say acidic oxide plus base gives salt plus water, or you can say acid plus basic oxide gives salt plus water. These things you know from the previous videos. But however, NH4Cl suppose is there, it must have formed from NH4OH plus HCl giving NH4Cl plus H2. So whenever you look at a salt, there are a lot of salts. There are chlorides, there are chlorides. Suppose NaCl is there, MgCl2 is there, KCl is there, ZnCl2 is there. There are chlorides, then there are sulfates. There are sulfates. Suppose Na2SO4 is there, sulfates. Suppose Na2SO4 there.
H2SO4.
No, that is the acid. I am talking about sulfates means metal sulfates, metal chlorides means salt. K2SO4, BaSO4, SO4, ZnSO4, all these things.
Al2SO4 whole 3.
Al2SO4 whole 3 cholbe. There are sulfates, then there are nitrates, carbonates, acetates, nitrates, carbonates, acetates, means just
Acid is clear.
acetates CH3, COO, Zn whole 2, or CH3, COONA. These are acetates. Carbonates, Na2CO3, NaHCO3 bicarbonate, K2CO3, all these things. Nitrates, ZnNO3 whole 2, KNO3. So all these salts I hope you recognize. Now if I tell that from where does these salts are coming, suppose if anyone writes NaCl in front of your face, separate the Na comes from the base and Cl comes from the acid. It must be NaOH and HCl. Right or wrong? Suppose if anybody gives you BaSO4, a base and a acid, the acid has to be H2SO4 and the base has to be BaOH whole 2, isn't it? Suppose KNO3 is there, so if KNO3, it should be KOH and it should be HNO3. So in this way, by looking at a by looking at a salt, we can anticipate from which acid and which base it is coming. Right or wrong? For example, NaCl is coming from NaOH and HCl, MgCl2, MgOH whole 2 plus HCl, KOH plus HCl, ZnOH whole 2 plus HCl. NaOH plus H2SO4, KOH plus H2SO4, BaOH plus H2SO4, ZnOH whole 2 plus H2SO4, AlOH whole 3 plus H2SO4, ZnOH whole 2 plus HNO3, KOH plus HNO3, NaOH plus H2CO3, NaOH plus H2CO3, KOH plus H2CO3, then CH3COOH plus ZnOH, CH3COOH plus NaOH. So all these things we can understand. I hope it is clear. It can be, you can also do it. Now when you know this, now I will tell you one important thing in the next video.
শোভক আর বডিতে কি থাকে?